Goose version 125 is here, and it's a big one. The headline feature is macOS Sandboxing. Goose Desktop now runs every command inside a native sandbox, restricting file system access, controlling network requests, and scoping write permissions. Your system stays protected even when Goose runs code. Next up, the unified summon extension. We replaced two separate systems, subagents and skills, with one clean extension. Two tools, load and delegate. Simpler to understand, simpler to use. MCP extensions can now render rich interactive UI directly in the chat. Dashboards, forms, visualizations, all inline. Your conversations just got a lot more visual. You could already edit recipes, but now you can change the model, provider, and extensions right from the GUI. No more digging through YAML. Point, click, done. And for supply chain security, every release artifact now ships with signed SLSA Provenance, so you can verify your binary came from the official repo. That's Goose v1.25.0. Upgrade today at block.github.io/goose.